Hello, this is Madam Kimrose, English teacher from Model English Higher Secondary School. In today's lesson, we will again see when and how to use the word to, T-O-2, and for, F-O-R, for. So let's get started. The word to is used in expressing movement and direction. Movement here means moving from one place to another, shifting from one place to another, which is also the same as direction, but different. That these two also have the different. The different is movement hong kitiahile verb. Ama sa class atun verb hoite ni say tavin. Verb means action of noun tinahi. Hiti verb sentence a verb azaw po wahile to namandi. For example, in English we can also say verb in a sentence to. We have to use to is very important. T or to. Okay. Then in direction means hoya na chi ding ham ahilawa hile na chi na ding mun na thun na ding mun hoy lai pe na chi ding ham, that is called direction. Okay, so direction and movement can be also in three: person, place, things. Let's first see the example of person. His example beauty. I talk to him he person na. Let's lie he tu kizang tu. Ipizia tu kizang hamitia hile because of this talk verb. Talk means you move your lips. Okay, and then we'll come to second, place. I went to school. School is a place. We use to here again. Why? Because of this verb, went, shifting from one place to another. Okay, and then here she walked to her car. Car is example of things. We use to here. Why? Because of this verb. This walk means transfer movements. Now, it's a verb o umziatu. Sentence are verb o umziatu. We use to. Verb to he kilhonding. Verb azawle to mang kilo. To cannot run away from verbs. Okay, so I think you are clear. Again, we'll see the two sentence, different meaning and different using of to and for. Okay, I went to the supermarket to buy apples. I went to the supermarket for apples. Na, hoy laya ham supermarket la kachi. Hitilang sisi kibang to. Ahivanga hitilang hikibang talo to. From here, it's different. How? Here to, in this line, for. Ipizia, why not two in both? Why not four?